p.m. I'm making a new plan, rearrange.
What's going on, man?
Some shit done popped off, right? I'ma need you and Taylor go hand it, right? I got like 100 cents, man, on this nigga face. Bring it back to the fight. That's what's up. I'm not stopping. You heard what I'm saying. The money in my hand. Catch me if you can. Point it out. Walk along at the top. I've been waiting. I'm taking off. I'm not stopping. You heard what I'm saying. The money in my hand. Catch me if you can. Point it out. Walk along at the top. I've been waiting. I'm taking how we living from the pockets to the prison. Hit 'em up, pick him up, to the top. Got kill, nigga, what the up? Shit is real, I ain't here for no bullshit. I'm here with a bullshit. Now let me show you niggas what you don't get. You know what I'm saying? I ain't coming up and on this booze with no food. I ain't got back, but it lets you go. Black guys, go down, the last, the man. I'm not doing what you're playing, just a nigga last, nigga. Who wants me? I don't think you know. Like I run the blood and down, shit, I run you go. I'm like 50, I don't care. It's black and the white, whole food, fuck fucking thing, man. Giving it ice, oh, I'm not stopping. You heard what I'm saying? The money in my hand, catch me if you can. Point it out, walk along at the top. I've been waiting and watching. You bitch in the cup, you taking off. I'm not stopping. You heard what I'm saying? The money in my hand, catch me if you can. Point it out, walk along at the top. I've been waiting and watching. You bitch in the cup, you taking hits. Yo, boss, by the way, nigga, what's up, nigga? Man, I'm trying to see what's up with that bitch, nigga. I mean, what's up with this nigga? I'm gonna do that, alright? Hey, man, yo, we don't know that we behind. That's a group for the side. I'm living with this guy in the room. I'm feeling 30-30 with the stove on it. I'm watching niggas smoking weed. They got dope on it. We don't need no rubber dicks or no fingerprints. Follow certain elements. Niggas go to jail for this. When they say I'm having shit, I think I'm being around. I'm addicted to the way I drug. I shoot the dope and swing time. They bullshit. If you run in, get more with a big bullshit. That's for moving. Must have been some confusion when I came in. Told you I ain't fuck down. If these bullets came in, must have I was playing. I'll let you know when I shoot that ball. I'm going to take the ball. What a man for that was taking ball. I ain't playing games. Ain't nothing don't ever change. Murder put money on your head. Give me his brain, motherfucker. I'm not stopping. You heard what I'm saying? The money in my hand. Catch me if you can. Point it out. Walk along at the top. I've been waiting and watching. You bitch in the cup. You taking off. I'm not stopping. You heard what I'm saying? Put the money in my hand. Catch me if you can. Point it out. Walk along at the top. I've been waiting and watching. You bitch in the cup. You taking hits.
What are you running here, man?
The new Deaf Bonds head unit, the DB530. Two Avatar STU-15s, JP83 on those, JP34 with 8 SFX 6.5, and I don't remember the series of tweeters, but the Down4Sound tweeters in the dash.
You got these things sounding good, man. Man, definitely good. Appreciate the demo, man. You on social media anywhere they can follow you?
Look us up on Obscene Creations on Facebook and Instagram.
Okay, y'all be sure to give them a follow. Y'all know I'm gonna try to tag them down below. It's good seeing you, man.
Appreciate it, man.
All right, that's good. Leave it there for you.
Hell yeah.
Thank you, man.
Appreciate it.
Move it all around. Let you get it quick before it touches the ground. Willing to learn, willing to get in the driver's seat, and willing to turn. And not concerned about that he say, whatever he say. Constant, finally I got a few there. Some getting the access, some website that line, man.